All right, guys, it's Sunday, November 16th at about 1:30. Here is your market structure for the futures industry. I'm going to look at NQ, and I took a lot of heat in the last video. I've actually, for the first time since I started posting videos, people saying, I'm unsubscribing from this channel. This guy only posts stuff for beginners and blah, blah, blah. Well, these people I know are going to watch this video still because I know they're not doing this. I know they're not doing their own market structure. I know these are the kind of people that are just logging in. They're probably following Twitter people or people on X or some kind of Discord that's like, go in now. They're not doing anything for themselves. So, since you're not doing anything for yourself, let me do something for you and show you what the market structure is going to be for this week. I will tell you exactly where to enter to make money, and then I will also confirm it and tell you how I know it. So, get your crayons out, sit down, and watch it. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at NQ. We're on the 4-hour chart. Let's break down your market structure so you know what's going to happen this week. Watch this. This is our starting point. This is our lower low. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. This is our lower high. We now are going to be entering the moneymaker leg right here. This is going to create our lower low 3. So let me label this so we all can see it. There's your starting point. Right here is your lower low 1. Then this is your lower high 1. Starting point, lower low, lower high. Now we come right here, lower low 2. Or if you really want to be exact, we could even stretch this down to this one and say this is lower low 2. It doesn't, either one of these, this is kind of an anomaly. It doesn't happen very often. But for the sake of this, let's just say this is lower low 2, the very bottom one. Now, this is lower high 2. Now, on your market structure, if you follow market structure at all, which everybody should as their foundation, this is the money leg. This is going to create lower low 3 right here. Now, you're probably like, yeah, this guy's just guessing. How does he know that? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is what's going to happen right here. Either this or it's going to consolidate. This will not reverse. This won't happen. So, how do I know that? Well, I'm not even going to leave the screen. Look at this. We have our starting point. Lower low 1, lower high 1, lower low 2, lower high 2, money leg way down here. It literally just did it. This exact thing. So, if for some reason you don't think market structure is a real thing, you think I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm labeling this for you. Lower low 1. This literally just happened. This exact same structure. This is market structure 101. It follows this every time. Sure, there are random anomalies where this won't happen. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am completely wrong and this will not happen. But this is what happens in classic market structure. And then this one right here is the money leg for lower low 3. This leg is bigger than all of these legs combined. All of these moves, this money leg is the biggest one. So take a look. Starting point, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, money leg. It literally created this exact same path starting on the 30th of October and went until the 7th of November. We now are on the 12th of November here at our starting point, and by the end of the week, we'll be down here at the 21st. It'll be about the same time frame. It'll be somewhere right over here. We will be, let me move this. It'll be this way. Right over here around the 21st, by the end of the week, we will be in our lower low 3, and we will have the perfect entry tomorrow on our money leg. The only thing that would invalidate this would be obviously an immediate reversal, or this just goes straight into consolidation mode because Thanksgiving is coming up. So this is either going to break low and continue on the money leg, or it's just going to do this all week long. And then liquidity is going to build, and then the market is going to have to dictate what it wants to do. Is it going to go this way, or is it going to go this way? But it is not going to completely reverse unless there's a major news catalyst that comes out that would warrant a massive shift back to all-time highs. So that right there is your market structure for the week that is starting November 16th, which is Sunday, and will go through Friday, November 21st. Let's reference this back on Friday and see if history and chart patterns and market structure are true, or if we get faked out.